Welcome back everyone to another video. Today we're reviewing TalkPal AI. TalkPal AI is an AI-powered language tutor designed to improve speaking, listening, reading, and writing skills across 55 to 57 languages. It uses GPT-driven dialogues to simulate real conversations through features like roleplay, call mode, debates, and photo-based prompts. It's tailored for intermediate learners aiming to speak fluently in real-life context. You can start with a free 14-day trial, after which premium plans begins around $9.99 a month or about $5.99 a month billed annually. So you can practice with AI tutors via roleplays, debates, photo mode, and mock phone calls. Instant corrections on grammar and pronunciation to accuracy can vary. Personalized lessons adapt to proficiency level and progress, and immersive scenarios like hundreds of unique dialogues set in practical real-world context. Also, they have a seamless app with smooth navigation and accessibility on the go, so you get excellent speaking practice, wide language support, adaptive and personalized lessons, and engaged mode variety. But now let's talk about the drawbacks. It's best for learners at A2 to B2 level. Beginners without language basics may feel overwhelmed. Grammar and pronunciation corrections might occasionally be wrong or misleading, or only about 10 minutes a day of practice available without subscription. No offline mode available and restricting use in areas with poor connectivity. Also, it lacks the playful, game-like structure of apps like Duolingo. So, TalkPal AI is a powerful tool for learners seeking conversational fluency and practice-based learning in real-life contexts. Its roleplay, phone, and call modes help bridge the gap between classroom learning and real-world speaking. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.